Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. We will see today which stocks has been dragged the market down. Today both Nifty and Bank Nifty both ended in red. So today we can see the Reliance stocks has fell almost 2% down and HDFC Bank fell 1.81. So these two are the heavyweight stocks which dragged the market downside. Okay, now we will see the chart. Today Nifty opened in a red due to like gap down, and which was having previous gap which was around 100 points gap. So it covered today and it made a downtrend rally. After that, in the second half, it tried to recover, but it could not able to sustain. Why? Because the Reliance is a heavyweight stocks, Reliance and HDFC Bank. So those are the stocks which dragged the market down. Even you can see the Bank Nifty also opened with the gap down, then it covered the previous gap. Like the same way we have seen in Nifty, right? The same way the Bank Nifty also covered the gap and it recovered half of the fall. But Nifty, it could not able to recover. Now we will see the levels for tomorrow. If Nifty opens flat tomorrow, it can take support this one and it can take resistance of this high level. So when it breaks this low, it can move further, or when it opens flat and it comes to near to the high of the previous day, then it can reverses back because trend is already down. So we can expect the fall tomorrow also. So we will see the Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. Market made a bearish trend, then in the second half it took some support, then it recovered half of the fall of today. So when the market opens flat tomorrow, it can take resistance of previous day high and it can take support of previous day low. So after that, when it breaks higher, it can retrace and it can move further. If it comes down, it can break down and it can go further down. So these are all the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. It can move based on the breakouts and or breakups. Thank you.